Yo, it's Chris from the future. This is what we got going on right here. I got the engine bay painted and looking pretty dry. I'm gonna hit the firewall with some heat tape. These are the sheets of gold heat tape I'm gonna put on. It's 12 by 24, I believe. I got them on Amazon. Pretty good deal. And these are actually the Mishimoto heat tapes, like 2 by 15, I believe. I actually thought this was gonna be like the size of this, and it really wasn't. When I opened the box, I was like, what? But this is what I got. I guess I'll use these for like the master cylinders and stuff like that. Got 2 of them right here. Since I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have enough to cover this whole engine bay, since I wanted to do like literally everything gold, I got some chrome, or I guess aluminum heat wrap. Got it from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna cut it to shape, measure it up, slap it on. Wow, this is actually bigger than I thought. That's gonna cover a lot of space, actually. Very nice. Never actually done this before, so I'm gonna take my time and just do little segments here and there. I'm gonna start off by doing this little area right here, since it's kind of, I guess it's flat and open. I could just work my way from there. Stay hydrated, my friends. Yeah, this will actually be a lot easier with a marker or something. Yeah, let's go get that. Seeing a lot of that. Let's lay it on. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Not really worried about these creases. I think they actually look pretty cool. There's a giant little bubble right here that I don't want, so I'm just gonna cut it up the middle. Looks good. All right, looks good to me. I'll hold off on this for now since I don't want to cut this up just yet. Yeah, I'm gonna do the other side now. All right, on to the last pack. We're cutting it close, guys. Of course. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. I'm gonna be really careful about this area since the turbo is gonna be like literally sitting right over here somewhere. Well, that's fun. I thought I was recording and I really wasn't. Freaking noob. Alright, anyways, just laid this down over here. That's it, and just clean up those little spots over here and there. I'm gonna work on this area right here where the turbo manifold is gonna sit. Alright, that's a way better angle. Time to start laying this thing down. So here's the issue. So I can bend this to where I need it to go without breaking it. That's fine. All right. This is some of the Mishimoto heat tape. I'm just gonna use it to clean up this area right here so it looks a lot nicer. Alright, I'm gonna hit the side with aluminum tape just because it looks cool. Good thing about this aluminum stuff, it actually folds in pretty well. I'm gonna go over this part right here where it seams into the hole, just because I don't want it to like puncture in there because it's fairly thin right here. Very time-consuming process, as you can see. Productivity is the best way to live. Always keep yourself busy. Not too busy, of course. Today is surprisingly windy. It's nice. Oh my god, I'm actually done. Wow. Golly, check that out. got everything I wanted to do out of the way, so I'm pretty happy about this. Really good progress going on. The next thing I will be doing is putting the, hold on, I'll be putting the flywheel, you can't even see it, the flywheel and the clutch actually, and then hopefully I can sit the motor back inside. I'll catch you guys another time. Peace.